They're cheap, they're quick, they're delicious. But have you ever wondered how instant noodles, one of the world's most popular comfort foods, are actually made? From flour to flavor packet, today we're diving deep inside a noodle factory to uncover the entire process, step by step. Get ready for machines, flavors, frying, and a few fun facts you probably didn't know. Welcome to another episode of Factory Files. Let's noodle around. Before we jump into the machines and mass production, let's travel back to 1958 Japan. That's when Momofuku Ando, the founder of Nissin Foods, invented instant noodles after seeing long food lines post-World War II. His mission? Create a simple, affordable food that could feed millions anytime, anywhere. And he did it with just 3 ingredients: wheat flour, oil, and soup powder. Fun fact, instant noodles were voted the most important invention of the 20th century in a Japanese poll, beating even the computer and cell phone. The journey starts with wheat flour, the core of noodle dough. Factories receive it in massive 25-kilogram sacks or even in bulk through pipelines. In giant mixers, the flour is combined with water, salt, alkaline salts like potassium carbonate, and sometimes kansui. This gives the noodles their iconic bouncy texture and yellow color. The mixing process takes about 15-30 minutes, depending on the scale. Once it forms into a crumbly dough, it's ready for the next step. That crumbly dough is now rolled into sheets using high-pressure rollers. Think of it like flattening a huge pancake over and over again. These dough sheets go through multiple rolling machines to become thinner, smoother, and more elastic. Precision here is key. Too thick and they won't cook fast. Too thin and they'll fall apart. Once the dough is flattened into a perfect sheet, it passes through razor-sharp blades that cut it into thin noodle strands. These can be adjusted for different styles: curly ramen, straight yakisoba, or even cup noodle size. At this stage, the noodles are still raw and super fragile. But we're not done yet. Fun fact, the curly shape of instant noodles isn't just for looks. It helps them cook faster and absorb flavor better. The cut noodles are now steamed at around 100 degrees Celsius for 1 to 5 minutes. This step gelatinizes the starch and partially cooks the noodles. It's basically pre-cooking them before the big preservation step. After steaming, the noodles are shaped into their final form, bricks or rounds. Factories use specialized molds that compress the noodles into consistent blocks that'll fit into packaging or cup containers perfectly. This is also where the noodles might be portioned. Around 70 to 100 grams per block is the standard. Now comes the preservation process, turning perishable noodles into shelf-stable products. There are 2 main methods. 1, frying. Most instant noodles are deep-fried in palm oil at 140 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius for about 2 minutes. This removes moisture and creates that crunchy texture we know. 2, air drying, a healthier and eco-friendlier method used in premium or healthy noodle brands. The noodles go through a hot air tunnel for 30-40 minutes. Fun fact, fried instant noodles can last up to 12 months without refrigeration, thanks to this step. After drying, the noodles are cooled down using fans or air tunnels to prevent sogginess and prepare them for packaging. Quality control is done using automated sensors and human inspection. Anything that doesn't meet standards is rejected or recycled. Parallel to noodle production, another section of the factory creates those magical flavor packets made of instant MSG, powder. The noodles are grow packets or paste for premium variants, freeze-dried vegetables or meat. These are weighed and sealed by ultra-fast machines and queued up for packaging. Now the noodles and seasoning packs come together in a seamless packaging line. Noodle blocks drop into wrappers or cups, flavor sachets are inserted, and then everything is sealed using heat. Labels are printed in real time. Expiry dates are stamped, and products are boxed and palletized for shipping. From here, they travel across the globe, in containers, trucks, and crates, to stores, supermarkets, and even vending machines in over 100 countries. Instant noodles are a global staple, eaten by over 290 million people a day. So the next time you enjoy that steamy bowl of instant noodles, remember the science, engineering, and precision behind it. From flour to fork, it's not just food, it's a masterpiece of manufacturing. Like if you love noodles. Comment your favorite flavor. Subscribe for more awesome How It's Made Factory Files videos.